Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button below and clicking the bell icon to be notified whenever we publish a new video. When we throw away banana peel, we have no idea how many great nutrients we're wasting. One of the best ways to use banana peel is to treat skin problems such as acne, warts, insect bites, and to prevent wrinkles. Since bananas are rich in potassium, magnesium, and vitamins B6 and B12, they nourish and gently cleanse your skin. In today's video, we're going to teach you some great skincare recipes using banana peel. It can get rid of warts. Cut a piece of banana peel slightly larger than your wart and tape it to the affected area. Leave the peel on overnight and repeat this procedure until the wart disappears. It reduces wrinkles and acne scars. Rub the inside of a banana peel all over your face. Wait 30 minutes. Then wash your face with water. You can repeat this procedure daily or whenever you want. Another great skincare recipe says to smash up a banana and mix it with a tablespoon of honey. Let the mixture sit until the banana mush turns brown. Next, apply the mask to your face, especially around your eyes. Let it sit for half an hour and rinse it off with warm water. This should be repeated at least 3 times a week. Your wrinkles and acne scars will fade in no time. This mask will also prevent new pimples from forming. It treats insect bites. If you were bitten by an insect, like a mosquito, rub some banana peel on the bite to instantly relieve any pain and itchiness. It calms red, irritated skin. Banana peel can relieve redness and itchiness. It can also hydrate and speed up your skin's scarring process. Just gently rub the banana peel over the affected area and you will soon feel relief. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.